In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your LinkedIn profile. If you're new to LinkedIn or just having trouble finding your profile page, don't worry. This is a very simple process, and once you know where to click, it only takes a few seconds. Your profile is the page that shows your professional information, including your photo, headline, work experience, education, skills, and any other details you've added. Viewing it is useful whenever you want to check how your profile looks to others or make updates to keep it current. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to your feed. This is usually the main homepage you see after signing in. The feed is where LinkedIn displays updates from your network, posts from people and companies you follow, and other professional content. If you're already on LinkedIn, you may already be there. If not, simply navigate to the LinkedIn home or feed page before moving on. Once you're on the feed, look toward the top area of the page and find the option labeled Me. This section typically includes your profile picture or a small account icon. The Me menu is where LinkedIn keeps personal account options, including access to your profile, settings, and other account-related tools. Go ahead and click on Me to open that menu. After the menu appears, look for your LinkedIn name in the list of options. Click on your name to open your profile page. This will take you directly to your personal LinkedIn profile, where you can view all the information attached to your account. Once you arrive on your profile, take a moment to review what's there. This is a good opportunity to make sure your profile photo is up to date. Your headline clearly describes what you do, and your experience and education sections reflect your current background. If you're using LinkedIn for networking, job searching, or personal branding, keeping this page polished can make a strong impression. And that's it. To view your LinkedIn profile, go to your LinkedIn feed, click on Me, and then click your name. It's a quick and easy path that helps you access one of the most important parts of your LinkedIn account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.